Students of class 10th student, as we are reading unit 4 digital presentation, and in this unit we reading about session 4 working with charts. Children, as you know, key chart is a graphical representation, means if we want to present data in a graphical form, we use here the charts. So there are different types of graphs and diagrams showing run rates of teams, partnership between batsmen, runs per over, areas where runs taken, etc. As we see in the cricket or in the sales rating, the data can be interpreted well when represented in the form of pictures or drawings or graphs. So these graphs or diagrams are known as charts. The children charts make your data easy to understand, attractive and presentable. We can compare and analyze the data values at different points with very ease. So you can start your MS PowerPoint very easily by just providing the data and some basic instructions. The children, we find many types of charts. You can see on the screen like a column, as it is given the first when data is given over a period of time, or comparison is to be made among items. Line, when trend of data over a period of time is given, we use pie. When there is only one row or column of data and each item is to be shown as proportional to the sum of all the items, we use pi. Bar, when comparison among individual items is to be shown. Area, when the size of an item is to be highlighted. XY scatter, when large set of data are to be compared without reference of time. Stock, when scientific data or market scientists or I mean statistics is to be plotted. So phase, when a combination between two sets of the data is to be found, or when both data and column row heading are numeric. Donut, it is the same as pie chart, but it but is in the shape of donut. Bubble, when both data and column row heading are numeric, and comparison in the item is to be shown by the difference the size of the makers like bubbles. Radar, when the total value of different data series is to be compared. The children, as we find here that many types of the charts and its subtypes also, according to our the convenience and data type, we use the charts. And chart, it is a very easy to show the data in a graphics form. Reader or who wants to know the data about the all terms, so easily we understand by looking the charts at a glance. This is easy to understand and analyze the data. So children, let's have a look of this video practically. How can we insert the chart, modify the chart, edit the charts, all these terms we will understand by the practically. So let's have a look this video. Children, for inserting the charts in the MS PowerPoint, we have to insert a new slide. As you can see here, this is a new slide for inserting the chart here, and you can see the placeholder of the chart as in the form of the button or icon in the center of the slide, and we can show the charts by graphically. This will be very easy. As you can see on the screen, it is a form of the chart data as a converted into the chart formats. So as I told you earlier about the charts, how can we show, we use the charts to show the data in a graphics form. So children, as you know, chart is a very easy to show the data in a graphic form. So here, as a you can see, in this placeholder we find the button here, the chart. By we this icon we can insert, or we go to the insert tab and click on the chart option. Here is given icon, click on this chart, and we find here the various types of the chart and its subtypes here. You can drag downward and you can see here the column chart, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, and its subtypes here. What you want to insert in your slide, you can take any one chart here as according to the data, according to the your convenience, which you want suggest about your data in a which format. You can take that chart here as here the column, as I will take here the 3D types of the charts, three-dimensional charts. So as you click on this chart button, automatically Excel file will be activated according to that data written as a predefined data as written. But you can edit that as it open automatically the Excel file, and with that chart slide, and here you can edit that chart, means data as shows in the charts also here, like as the here series 1, series 2, series 3. The series 1, as we want to show here the woman, and in series 2 we want to show the men, as we want to show here the population of the man and woman in that region, in any region you can say. The as we don't want to need here the series 3, so we can delete it as a select and press the delete button. So if you don't want to, first it select at that range, and you can increase or decrease the value, or you can delete also according to your needs of the data. As we don't want it, so we can delete it, or you want you keep that with that Excel file. So now as we just click and drag, and it cells release means delete it. So here that column will be deleted, and all the data will be disappeared with that column here. And now we can change with the category 1, like under 18, and category here 2, 18 to 30, and then category 3, 31 to 50, and 4, 51 to 65. So this way we want to show here the age range under the like this terms. And now you want to change some the data, you can select the data and you can change the data value also here. So like here the selecting that data, and you can modify according to your needs here, according to your data. So this way we can here set the data. And children, now you can see here the as we have changed the data according to our needs, according to our convenience here. This you can see on this screen here. For modifying the chart, children, we here find the click on that the design tab, as we find here the chart type. So we can change here the type here of the chart. We select and we can edit the type of the chart here. I mean, we can change the here the type of the charts here, as we take here the different types of the charts and its subtypes also. And we find here the as you can see, this is here the here the will open the go ahead here. So this is a type of the chart style or color. You can change according to the color or your needs. According to your needs, you can change the color or style of your charts here. The selecting on this, and you can select anyone here. As a selector, you find here the chart as a layouts, chart layout. We find here some chart layout as a layout 1 or layout 2. It will change the uh, its shapes and now its background. Like here the chart title as a legend. Here we find here the axis title mean area. We can change as if we find here the x axis. We want to click on this, and we find as the age range here. Age ranges, we can click on this, and axis title y axis, we can write here the people's served 2007 or 8, you whatever you can write here according to your as a data term. The children, as we find here the layout, as a layout it is a given here, such as a chart area where we can change the such a layout related to the chart title, chart as a here chart title, click on this and you can remove or keep the chart title here. If you don't want, you can none that. And here the axis axis y axis, you can say here you want to as a set the none or below, so you can set that. Here the legends, here you can say that is related to the legends also. But here the axis titles, the axis titles legends as related, you want to keep on the top. You select here the location of your the legend, like women and men, you want to keep on the top of the chart. To click on here, that is the top positions. Then that is data labels you want to show, click on that. All the data values will be shown on that as a bar here. And now you can see here the areas and grid lines, like a chart wall, chart plot area, chart as a wall. You want to change some source, I mean chart wall as a change, chart plot here you want to change. You can choose here different as a type of the as a chart layout here. But analysis is not activated when you select the line type chart, that would be as a activated. And here it is a format of the charts, means you want to change the color of the charts as a shape, the color of the charts. So you can select here as it is a given here the box. It is means box color. The box color you can change, shape outline change, as effects you can give here, means related to the as a changing of the styles and changing of the patterns. And you can change by here the such a types of the as a given the formattings related to the charts. The children, this is very easy to as changing the patterns, changing the chart style, changing the chart type. It is very easy. So I think you will see this video and you will do practice with your computer at your home. The children, thank you for watching this video.